Fart again?
Yes.
Alexa, do a wet fart.
Here comes a wet fart. Do you want to hear another one?
Yes.
Yes.
That was a relaxed one. I have another one brewing. Do you want to hear it?
Yes.
That was a triumphant one. Ask me how to unlock extreme farts, or just say random.
Random farts.
That was a funny one. Try asking me for a wet fart, or say random.
Random. Your mom's here.
That was a cheeky one. Try asking me about your friend's farts. Just ask what type of farts does your friend's name do,
What
or
type
just
of
say
farts?
random.
What type of farts does our friends do? Yeah, your mom's here. Get your feet.
That was a tiny one. Try asking me for an engine rumbler fart, or say random.
Engine rumbler fart.
Here comes an engine rumbler fart. Try asking me for a quick fart.